Alright, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here. We are here sa Insta360 store in SM Mega Mall. At ito, I'm shooting with the Insta360 Ace Pro 1. So mga katropa natin are doing a game. Ayan. So let's do a tour inside the Insta360 store in SM Mega Mall. Okay, let's do this. And we're outside the store, no? Ito Insta360 store in SM Mega Mall. Located siya here sa Cyber Zone levels. I think this is a 4th floor, no? So at ito yung dati nilang store. Meron silang kiosk dito. And finally, after a year yata, I think, open na yung kanilang main store in SM Mega Mall, where you can find anything Insta360 devices, mga cameras. So tour tayo sa loob. Let's check it out, yo. What's inside the store. Ayan. We're shooting with the Insta360 Ace Pro 1. Finally, meron na tayong camera pang Insta360. They have here a Insta360 Link 2, 11,000 pesos. Ito yung kanilang AI 4K webcam. Ayan. At syempre, they have here the Insta360 X4, 26,000. Oh, grabe. X4 to. Meron siyang cover casing, tsaka shell para for added protection. At ito yung pinakamaganda, the Insta360 X5, 32,000. Talagang one of the best Insta360 camera ever. So, super ganda niya, lalo na sa low light. At this one is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, 24,000. May dual battery, 25,000. At meron siyang Explorer kit na kasamang 5,000 pesos yan, yung Explorer kit. Bibili ako niya next time. Ganda. Tsaka ito, maganda pala yung ganito mong stick pala, oh. Kaso wala siyang stand. Pang ano, pero siya pang travel. Ayan. Around here is Ace Pro 2. Ayan. 24 to 25,000. 8K. Go 3S. Go 3S 25 tsaka 26. Ayan. Sabi ko kanina kay Ted
so we're testing this out video niya.
Ito dapat bibilin ko pero I decided the Insta360 Ace Pro na lang kasi it's removable camera. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang casing. You can shoot remote, pwede kang POV, hands-free. And here's the Go 3S. Ayan, 25 to 26,000. Sample. And more demo unit here. Ito yung kanilang gimbal, Insta360 Flow 2. Ayan. Para mga demo unit nila. Ay, live pala to. Oh my god, live pala. May naka-mount na iPhone. Okay, katakot naman to. Talaga totoong iPhone siya. So ito yung demo unit nila na hindi gumagalaw yung masyadong shaky. Ayan. More units ng Ace Pro 2. Ayan, mga demo unit para kung saan yung hawakan, you get the feel of it. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ito si Mike Son is using the Ultra Insta360 Ultra. Ayan.
Keychain.
Meron tayong vlog test na nabangalin.
Cover? I don't know, man.
So, dito tayo. At more accessories for your Insta360. Ito po, kailangan nyo itong invisible stick. Kailangan nyo yan. Casing, kailangan nyo yan. Bundle, X4 bundle. X4 na pang solo. Ace Pro 2. Ito yung Insta360 Go Ultra, yung bago. Link 2. At ito yung pinakambago nila. This is the brand new Insta360 Wave pang conference at yan, professional speaker phone with AI recording suite na in-unbox namin kanina, which is very exciting. Ito siya. Ito yung unit nila for conference. Off natin kasi meron siyang style yan, mababa siya. May tulog siyang gano'n, galing, grabe. Parang Star Trek eh. Tapos
May setup natin
pag gagamitin nyo na
Ito ano?
hard press.
Ano namin? Setup namin mamaya.
Ano yun?
Just in case lang na
One push button.
Ano mangyayari sa tips?
Ayan. Wow. Diba? So all of these are already now available
Pinakakilala sa iba yung
here sa Insta360 store in SM Mega Mall. Ayan. Kapag ano tayo, dapat pala podcast na lang kami dito para masaya eh. So this is a quick tour. Parang tindahan doon. Pwede kayo itong mamili. At may mga videos dito na very entertaining. Ayan, mga samples sila ng Insta360. Ayan.
Asa yung Ultra dito?
Ha? Connect mo muna. Hindi, connect mo muna sa ano, sa app.
Kasi discoverable device.
Hindi, isa lang siya, isang ultra lang. Lalabas isang ultra. Oh. Isang ultra lang 'yan. Ayun. So, I'll end now my video here. At syempre, ang aking next target is this Explorer kit ng ano. Explorer kit to the Insta Ace Pro. Ayan. Kasi yung Pro 1 dito eh, kasi this is Pro 2. Ayun. So I'll end now my video here. Thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Come and visit Insta360 in SM Mega Mall, Cyberzone. At baka pagpunta nyo dito, meron pa silang pag-games. Sumali kayo. Ayan. At nanalo kayo ng prizes. Nanalo ko ng Insta360 pouch. Alright, kita-kits. At congrats to Insta360 Philippines for this new store. Alright.